Hello students, today we will discuss about critical appreciation of the gift of the Maggie। एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी है जो कि ओ हेनरी ने लिखी है। ओके, $1.87 that was all, and 60 cents of it was in pennies. Pennies saved 1 and 2 at a time by bulldozing the grocer and the vegetable man and the butcher until one's cheeks burned with a silent imputation of parsimony that such close dealing implied. 3 times Della counted it $1.87, and the next day would be Christmas. There was clearly nothing left to do but flop down on the shabby little couch and howl. So Della did it, which instigates the moral reflecting that life is made up of sobs, sniffles and smiles, with sniffles predominating. While the mistress of the home is gradually subsiding from the first stage to the second, take a look at the home, a furnished flat at $8 per week. It did not exactly wager descriptions, but it certainly had that word on the look out for the mendicancy squared. In the vestibule below was a letterbox into which no letter would go and an electric button from which no mortal finger could coax a ring. Also appertaining thereunto was a card bearing the name Mr. James Dillingham Young. Okay. The gift of the Maggie is counted among the best stories of not only Henry but the whole world of American stories. It shows the love of the couple who dedicate the most favorite things to please the other. It is the example of ideal love and sacrifice. Jim and Della, the poor who people desire to give a wonderful present to each other, a thing which they actually aspire for in their life. Della sacrificed her hair to buy a platinum chain for her husband, and Jim a gold watch for the beautiful combs for Della's hair. The value of the gift, this is not based on their price but on their feelings and sense of sacrifice. Such strange situations take place in our real life also. The story is simple and setting is biblical. देखिए इस स्टोरी में क्या होता है, डेला और जिम की स्टोरी है ये। जिम और डेला दोनों एक दूसरे को बहुत ज़्यादा लव करते हैं और दोनों हर एक दूसरे की ख्वाहिश को पूरा करना चाहते हैं। डेला के जो हेयर्स होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे होते हैं। जिम चाहता है कि वो डेला के लिए कुछ लेके आए बालों में लगाने के लिए, कंघा लेके आए उसके बालों को काटने के लिए कॉम्ब। और डेला चाहती है कि वो जिम के लिए एक प्लेटिनम की चेन ले वॉच में। उसके पास वॉच का होता है लेकिन उसकी चैन नहीं होती है वॉच की, तो वो चाहती है कि उसके लिए वो ख़रीदे। लास्ट में क्या होता है कि दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए सेक्रीफाइस करने के लिए, दोनों एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट लाने के लिए डेला क्या करती है, अपने बालों को कटवा देती है और उसके लिए प्लेटिनम की चेन ले आती है। जो जिम होता है वो अपने वॉच का जो उसका वो होता है वो उसको बेच देता है और उसके लिए कॉम्ब खरीद कर ले आता है। दोनों के पास ना ही कुछ, उसके पास ना वॉच बचती है ना उसके पास बाल बचते हैं, दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए कुर्बान कर देते हैं। तो यही स्टोरी बताइए कि इसमें किस तरीके से सेक्रीफाइस है, लव है। ओके, The Magi, as you know, were wise men, wonderfully wise men, who brought gifts to the wave in the manger. They invented the giving Christmas presents, while their gifts were no doubt once, possibly wearing the privilege of exchange in case of duplicate. And here I have lamely related to you the uneventful chronicle of greatest treasures of their house. But in a last word to the wise of the days, let it be said that of all who gives gifts, these two are the wisest. All who giving gifts and receive gifts, such as they are wisest. Everyone there are wisest. There are the Magi. Della finished her cry and attended her cheeks with a powder rag. She stood by the window and looked out daily at a grey cat walking a grey fence in a grey backyard. Tomorrow would be Christmas Day and she had only 1.87 with which to buy Jim a present. She had been saving every penny. Tomorrow would be Christmas Day, and she had only $1.87 with which to buy Jim a present. She had been saving every penny she could for months with this result. $20 a week does not go far. Expenses had been greater than she had calculated. They always are. Only 1.87 to buy a present for Jim. Her Jim, many a happy hours she had spent planning for something nice for him, something fine and rare and styling. Something just a little bit near to being worthy the honor of being owned by Jim. There was a fireplace between the windows of the room. Perhaps have seen a fireplace in $8 flat. A very thin and very agile person, while observing his reflection in a rapid sequence of longitudinal stripes, stand up fairly accurate conceptions of his looks. Della, wing slender, had answered the art. Suddenly she wheeled from the window and stood before the glass. Eyes were shining brilliantly, but her face had lost its color within 20 seconds. Rapidly she pulled down her hair and let it fall to its full length. There were two possessions of the gems, young which they both took a mighty pride. One was Jim's gold watch that had been his father's and his grandfather's. Okay. The gift of Magi is counted among the best stories of not only but the whole world of American stories. It shows the love of the couple who dedicate the most favorite things to please the other. It is the example of ideal love and sacrifice. Jim and Della, the poor people, desire to give an wonderful present to each other, a thing which they actually aspire for in their life. Della sacrificed her hair to buy a platinum chain for her husband, and Jim his gold watch for the beautiful combs for Della's hair. The value of the gift thus is not based on their price, but on their feelings and sense of sacrifice. इसमें क्या होता है, अपनी फीलिंग्स को सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ता है. ओके, ये जो स्टोरी है वो केवल प्राइस पर बेस्ड नहीं है, बल्कि अपनी फीलिंग्स को सेक्रीफाइस करना एक दूसरे के लिए इस तरीके की स्टोरीज में बताई गई है. ओके, सच स्ट्रेंज सिचुएशंस टेक प्लेस इन आवर रियल लाइफ ऑल्सो. इस टाइप की सिचुएशंस जो हैं वो रियल लाइफ में भी आती हैं. द स्टोरी सिंपल एंड सेटिंग इज बाइब्लिकल. ये स्टोरी जो है बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल है और सेटिंग इसकी बाइब्लिकल है. ओके, ये स्टोरी ना कि केवल हेनरी की है बेस्ट स्टोरी, बल्कि पूरे संसार में एक अमेरिकन स्टोरीज में बहुत ही बेस्ट स्टोरी मानी जाती है. ओके, इसमें उन कपल को दिखाया गया है जो दिखाते हैं कि किस तरीके से वो अपनी फेवरेट चीज़ों को एक दूसरे के लिए कुर्बान कर देते हैं.